2008 season at Coronet Peak. Wait up! Skiing!
We found it! Sorry guys, okay. Closed. What? Closed. Man, we've come all the way to Coronet Peak for opening day, guys, and the lifts aren't even going. This sucks.
You know what can cheer us up?
What?
New facilities!
Yeah!
New facilities!
Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
My coffee, yeah. Hey, just out of interest, what beans have you been roasting?
Well, we mainly use Piazza d'Oro Demon Freddy beans. That's actually 70% Arabica beans and 30% Robusta beans.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know something about coffee?
Sounds good. Just a minute.
Yeah?
Well done.
Cheers, buddy.
Thank you. Coronet Peak has spent 30 million on upgrading these facilities, and my word, they have paid off. This coffee is quite sensational. Oh, so as you can see, my seafood noodles have arrived, and I'm sipping on an exceptional espresso here. This seriously is a quality restaurant supplying quality food. So the boys have gone hiking to get some turns in. They've left me here to check out the facilities. This is half the restaurant area, and you could probably play a game of football here. Let's go have a look around. What? No pies and chips? Wow, that's a refreshing change for a ski area. All the food is made on the premises and nothing is brought up here. Plenty to choose from. Big screen TV. Plenty of seats here for everybody. This is ground floor, the business floor. You can get your tickets down in the bottom corner. Plenty of room with that, heaps of queues. There's ski school, drop your kids in there for the day. And there's even a huge area where you can get rental gear. I don't think I've ever seen so much ski equipment in my life. Check it out. What do you know? There's a fully equipped retail store here as well. Feeling the need to spend, I'm sure you'll find whatever you need in here. Unfortunately, opening day didn't happen for us today. The boys are a bit disappointed. However, we were blessed with some brilliant coffee, some amazing food out of the restaurant here where they have their own private chef, I believe. The establishment here is amazing. We're looking forward to coming back to Coronet Peak. It's been a great day. This is Tom Dunbar signing off with NZ Skier TV. Ka kite, poi poi.